What's up guys, and welcome to the 21st tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial, it's all about global scope. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing I want to do before I even type any code into the computer is give you just some background details, information about what global scope is and what it does. Some variables and functions have global scope, which means they can be declared and referenced from anywhere in the program. When a variable is declared outside any function, it is called an external variable and it has global scope by default. The declaration must occur before any references to the variable from within the same source code file, but all functions past the point may reference it. That's it. Okay, let's start coding. So I can say int counter, close that off. Then I can say void add counter, and also say int inside that, close that off. Then I can say int main, I can say add counter. Int could be 53 or whatever number. We'll change it to see what happens. Then print the value out, COUT, counter, need some speech marks there, equals counter. This is like printing the value out, as I already said. We are getting some sort of error. Yeah, I don't know why that's there. That should not even be there. We'll just remove that for a minute. Okay, void add counter, int increment, and now we can say counter plus equals incre semicolon. Hopefully that mistake should now eliminate itself. But no, it's not. It's still the same. If I get rid of that, see what happens. Execute that. Counter equals, I mean, 53 should come there, but it's not really happening, is it? See if that works. Yeah, that's correct. That is correct. Let us execute that again and see what we get. So counter equals 53. Okay, where it says int counter here, variable with global scope. Where it says counter over here, I spent like 10 hours rectifying the mistake. Display the variable from the main, and then where it says counter plus equals increment, modify the variable from add counter. So if we change this to 52, we should see counter equals 52. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.